Going into this TLR 8X E 2.0, we got the MKS 550 servo. Gonna open it up here. Unbox this thing. This is a servo that Tyrone Eccles recommended. There we go. Got your little bits. MKS decals. You got your little twisty tie thing in there. Oh wow, they twisty ties and servo taped it down. They ain't want this servo going anywhere. You look at it here. The badge MKS on the back, the badge. All aluminum case servo. Yeah. MKS on the front. I like the accents of it. Look at that. MKS in the webbing. MKS. Oh. Got the user guide. So it's pretty cool. Got it, the servo in there. It is a tight fit, especially with the wire. I had to like slide it in through the side here and then drop it down. I couldn't go straight down. I had to slide it in and drop it. But yeah, it's a tight fit. But it's in there. Now we gotta put the screws in the. Got the servo in. Now we're gonna unbox the ESC here. The Hobby Wing. I've been running the Hobby Wing. This is what Tyrone recommended. But this is what Cavalier's got. This is what I run in all my vehicles. I've ran these ever since, Ron Shear was with Hobby Wing. What up, Ron? Try and get this out. Man, that's a tight. There we go. Look at there. Okay. First time unboxing a ESC, A-scale ESC. Wow. All right. See what way would be a good way to mount this. It'd probably be, this way, because the wires are going to be inside the car. So probably a good way to mount it would be like that. Finally getting to unbox this motor. Not much difference, but a little difference. I don't know if you see, I got the ESC in and the on and off switch mounted, and not much different, but making a little progress. Got my wires soldered in. Gonna unbox this motor here. This Hobby Wing 1900 KV. Like a little kid. Here, I'll hold it up. Good gosh. All right. Yeah, look at there. Got my motor here. Okay. What they got here? They got the packaged up kind of funky. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, you gotta open it like that. Here, let me tilt this camera down. Okay. Got the instructions, whatnot in there. All right. I don't know anything about 8-scale motors, so got sensor wires. Go ahead and put some of this trendy oil in the bearing here. See what instructions say. Okay. Adjust timing and all that and whatnot. You take the end belt off. Okay. So it's like a TS3 Thomas Stafford. But what I am gonna do is open up the end and put some oil on the bearings and put it in the car. So, yeah, moving a little forward here on this. I'm sitting here. While that hole was there until I go to mount the motor, and that's so the Allen or torque wrench can go through and put the screw on the backside. Huh. Alrighty then.